Hi, today I want to show you my basic program which was published in the German magazine C64 in 1987, September issue. The publisher is Mark and Technik. And this was the most popular magazine for Commodore 64 at the time. The program was published under Tips and Tricks. And here is the description. Now I'm going to explain the details. Okay, I want to explain my program first before I do the demonstration. So this is a memory map of Commodore 64. I just simplify it, just showing the basic program text area, and it starts with 0800. Typically, machine program is loaded in the upper area. So for my demo program, I'm using this area. So you might think why I'm using a very odd number as the start address. If I want to start the program, I need to use the sys command. So this is the sys command using the decimal number. So this is 34500. That's the reason I use this odd number, because I have to remember the start address. This is generally a problem in the machine program, or otherwise I can do it in a basic line. For example, I put it in a sys line here, and after that I can put some comment here. It doesn't need to be basic syntax because the basic interpreter will go to the machine program. After that it doesn't come back to here, so it doesn't matter what is here. You won't get a syntax error. But the problem is now we have a block of machine program here and one line basic program here. We can't save the whole program. There is a trick. We can do it. Remove the machine program part here, just append to the basic line, and so we have one block of data. Then we can tell Commodore 64 the basic program ends here, so it will save the whole block. Of course, then this address will move to here, so we have to change the sys to jump into the machine code here. This is also what you typically see in the games. So you see one line basic code, and there's something with the copyright here, and it just jump to the machine code at the end here. But then every time we have to write the machine code here. Now the basic line maker assume you have written your program somewhere else. Then the trick is I added a copy routine here. So then I've got the machine program here. The whole block can be saved as a basic program. The sys command will jump into the copy routine here. The copy routine will copy this part A0YY here, for example, and to the original address of the machine code. Then at the end, just jump to the machine program. So then it will copy the program here. Then this will jump to here. So that's how it works. Okay, let's have a look in my listing. So you can see here the program is written in 1986. It's almost 40 years now. This block here at the beginning, you can see it's the user data input. So you can put a line number and comment, and the beginning address of the data block and end address. And here is the start address. The start address doesn't need to be the beginning of the data block. You can jump into anywhere of your program. Now this part here is generating the basic line using the data above. So it's creating the line number and the sys command where to jump in, and the comment at the end of the basic line. And here it's reading the data from below here and generating the copy routine to append to the basic line. And this part is preparing the data for the copy routine to copy the original data to append to the basic line. It's preparing the start address and the end address of the source, and this is the end address of the destination. And this part is telling Commodore 64 that the basic program is much longer than one line. And this one jump in here. I still can't figure out why I'm jumping into the 704. Based on the document I found here, 704 is unused. And I also couldn't find anything what I have done in the program here. But I'm sure this is the part I copy the original data to append to the basic line. If you can see something, please let me know and put it in the comment below. Okay, that's all about the program. It's not doing a lot. And now let me show it on my emulator machine. So now I've started the C64 and attached my Xiangqi program to the drive. So this is program I'm going to use for the demonstration. I've done another video about my program. Now let's load the program first. And I have to use a (1) to load to the absolute address. Now you won't be able to see anything. So I have to change the media, going to get the basic line maker. Now load the basic line maker. I will put this image for you to download if you want to try it out. This is a basic program, so I just use a (8). So this is what I'm show you in the magazine printout. It's the same listing here. So run. Now I have to put a line number, let's say 2024, and a comment. So just confirm everything is correct. I have to press J for German, ja. Done. Let's have a look. So list, you can see there's a basic line 2024, and this is address. Will jump to the copy routine, and this is the comment here. Now I'm going to use a monitor disassembler program to show you what is happening here. So let's change the media. So I have to load it with the absolute address (1). Now I have to start the admon using sys command 52. Okay, so let's say monitor. This is the basic program text part as I showed you at the beginning. So let's view few lines here. Okay, let's check the bytes here. The first 2 bytes here, this 0816 is the end of the basic line. So you can see it's here, the end of the basic line. And now 07E8 is 2024, the line number. And 9E is the sys command. And then you can see this is in text here, 2072. So 2072 is 818. 818 is here. So basically this is the start of the copy routine. Then you can see the big boss as plain text here. And we are going to look at this here. So let's do disassembler. 0818. So let's go down here. So now you can see the address of the source data block is 0836.
and it's 0836 is somewhere here. This is the beginning of the Xiangqi program, and here is the end of the data block. So let's continue. And now here, this is the end of the destination address. So basically we are copying the data block from the end to the beginning. So let's continue. And you can see here, so this is the jump to the copy routine. I will put a link, you can find more details there. This is not written by myself. Then after copying the data block to the original location, then it will jump to the start address 86C4, and this is the sys command I used to start my Xiangqi initially. So it's sys34500, this is the address, and just ignore whatever come after that. So now I just run the same thing again, do the basic line maker again, and this time I'm not going to load the monitor. So let's have a look. Basic line is created. Now I want to save the program, make sure it works. I use it as .8, it's just like normal basic program. So I've shut down the entire emulator and make sure the memory is cleared. And now I have attached the drive. Let's have a look. So you can see the demo program 16 block. That's longer than one basic line. And let's load it. What you see is one basic line. Now let's run it. Okay, as you can see, it started. Joystick is working. Let's make a move. Okay, that's my program. Now it's running from basic command. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find the video useful, please give me a thumb up. If you have any question, just post in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.